Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get website files. We'll cover several effective techniques, ensuring you can access the data you need. First, we'll look at using specialized file transfer protocols. Then, we'll explore browser-based options, which are great for front-end assets. Finally, we'll discuss leveraging your hosting control panel for comprehensive file management. Let's dive in. Using an FTP or SFTP client is a robust way to get your website files. Simply enter your server credentials to establish a secure connection. Once connected, you can browse your server's file structure, much like your own computer. Select the files or folders you wish to retrieve, then initiate the download. This method is ideal for transferring large numbers of files or entire website backups efficiently. Your web browser's developer tools offer a quick way to grab front-end website files. Open the developer console, usually by pressing F12, and navigate to the Network tab. As you browse the site, you'll see all loaded resources. You can then right-click on specific CSS, JavaScript, or image files and choose to save them. This is perfect for quickly inspecting and downloading individual assets. For comprehensive access, your hosting control panel is invaluable. Platforms like cPanel provide a user-friendly file manager interface. Here, you can easily navigate your website's entire file system. You can select individual files or multiple items, then download them directly to your computer. For larger transfers, you can even compress entire directories into a single zip archive, saving significant time and bandwidth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.